Welcome to Santiago, the vibrant heart of Chile, where cosmopolitan charm meets natural wonders. Join us on an unforgettable journey through Santiago's captivating landscapes, rich culture, and the warmth of its people. Our adventure begins at La Moneda Palace, the seat of Chilean government. Stroll through the colorful streets of Bellavista, filled with art, music, and a lively atmosphere. Immerse yourself in the sensory delight of Santiago's bustling mercados. Savor the taste of Chile and its world-renowned wines. Take a day trip to the picturesque Valle de Colchagua, where vineyard tours and tastings await. Discover serenity in the heart of this city at Park Metropolitano, a vast urban park. Stroll along the banks of the Mapocho River in Park Forestal, where art installations and cultural events come to life. Celebrate Santiago's rich culture with festivals that fuse tradition and modernity. Explore the city's diverse neighborhoods, each with its unique character. Delve into Chile's indigenous history at the Museo Chileno de Arte Colombino. /venture beyond Santiago to the enchanting Valparaiso, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Sip wine amidst the Maipo Valley's rolling vineyards. As the sun sets over Santiago's vibrant skyline, the city's spirit invites you to uncover its many facets. Hit the like button, share the beauty with fellow travelers, and subscribe for more captivating travel content. Whether you're a culture enthusiast, a foodie, an adventurer, or a lover of nature, Santiago opens its arms to you. Discover the magic, and let Chile's capital inspire your journey.